Today, we're making mint brownies. This is my mom's favorite recipe, and it is a Christmas tradition in my family. These brownies are chewy, minty, and have a nice, almost fudge-like topping. They're easy to make and freeze well. So, if you're looking for a special holiday dessert, then be sure to give this recipe a try. Brownies are already delicious, but this mint brownie version just steps it up a level, and the mint flavor just gives it a Christmas taste that we all enjoy. So, let's get baking. Start by mixing in a bowl 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of sugar. Then add 4 eggs. And 1 stick of softened butter. Add 1.5 cups of Hershey's chocolate syrup. Then blend this all together. We'll slowly develop a smooth batter. Then, in a 9x9 or bigger baking sheet, apply some nonstick spray and pour in our brownie mixture. 9x9 is a bit on the small side, so I recommend using something slightly bigger, like a 12-inch long one. Bake in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for between 25 to 30 minutes, or whenever a toothpick can poke in and out cleanly. Once the brownie is done, let it cool to room temperature on a baking rack. While we wait, let's prep the mint layer. In a bowl, mix together 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 stick of softened butter, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract, double check you are using peppermint, and optionally 3 to 5 drops of food coloring, green food coloring. Then blend this all together. Additionally, you can add some water later as needed, but gradually add this while mixing. This will eventually turn into a frosting-like consistency. You don't want this to be too runny. If you didn't add enough food coloring earlier, you can add some more now. Once we get a frosting-like consistency, we can take a spatula and spread it carefully onto our room temperature brownie. Spread it out and cover the entire brownie. Put this in the refrigerator for about 45 to 60 minutes. While we wait, let's make the chocolate topping. Take 1 stick of butter and carefully melt on low heat in a pot. Then add 1 cup of Hershey's semi-sweet chocolate chips and melt everything together. We're on low heat so that we don't burn anything. Melt everything down so that it's smooth. then let it cool off. This will harden over time, so right as it reaches around room temperature, when it's still smooth, we'll spread it onto our now firmer mint coating. This will create that chocolate layer. Spread this all out. Make sure everything gets nicely coated. Lastly, we'll stick this in the refrigerator for about another 60 minutes before serving. The freezer can also work in about 30 minutes. And boom, we have a delicious Christmas treat. You can cut this with a knife and enjoy. These mint brownies are a family favorite, and after you get a bite of these, you'll see why. My family has made these every Christmas without fail, and one of the best parts is that you can now make this at your home. Whatever you don't eat can be sealed and frozen as well. To thaw, just let it sit out for about 10 minutes, then enjoy. If this looks yummy, be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.